Okay, hey, what's up? This is that truck that I was telling you about that I'm building for my dad. It's a 40 model Ford pickup with a 55 model Ford bed on it. That's why it doesn't look as like these. That is a truck that my dad had. Now I'm going to be putting, hang on, crap, I don't know where I put it. I'm going to be putting chrome side pipes on here. The running board is going to be black. Interior is going to be black. The entire truck is going to be red. I put, let's see, I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, you kind of can. It's just with that lamp, the lighting just isn't the best. But I put slided wheels on here. Skinnies in the front, fatties in the back. Just like he had. Let's see. It just isn't focusing in, isn't. Oh well. Just wanted to make a quick update to let you see what's up. Man, you see that? I just sprayed this primer on this truck. See how, I mean, it is incredibly smooth. You would think I just sanded this primer. But what I use is a professional grade primer. This is actually auto primer. It is made by, let's see if you can see it, PPG. You can't see it. But this is the best primer I've ever seen in my life. And when I ever figure out where to get it, in what store, I will tell you for sure, because man, this is the best stuff that money could buy. I mean, it sprays on so smooth. All the other crap just blows it out of the water. And show you what all I'm building on. There's my toy back there. That truck right there, when I get done with it, man, you'll see it's gonna be sweet. This is my Camaro. I got this Camaro when we went to Abilene, Texas. Gosh, Thanksgiving for all the Blitz sales and stuff. I snagged that sucker up, man. I wanted, I don't know, I just wanted something that I could play with and fully modify, you know, make a race car. Because believe it or not, this was, here, let me show you. Oops, it's upside down. Here's the kit. And here's what the car is supposed to look like. Pretty much factory. You know, maybe a little Pro Street there, nothing too major. The only thing I used in this entire kit is the body. No headlights. I did not use the grill, nothing. And what I'm going to do, see, I don't know if you could tell, but everything is filled in. The headlights, the turn signals, the grill, everything is filled in on this car because I want it to have that fiberglass look. See the hood, I made the cow induction hood. It's not sitting on there just right now, but it'll look nice when I get done with it. I'm going to take this hood. Oh, crap, what is it doing? I'm going to take the hood and I'm going to mold it. Come on now, what are you doing? I'm going to mold it to the front clip so it'll be one solid piece. And I'm going to take the entire front clip off. So, you know, it'll be a fiberglass front end. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. Put some more light in on it. There you go. It has a tubular frame chassis tubbed out in the back. Uh-oh, the light's just a little bit too bright. Let me adjust it. I hope you can see that okay. Oh, look at there, I made the body crooked. Yeah, the body's just sitting on the chassis right now, so it's crap. Oh well, you get the picture. Now the body work, you talk about body work and doing stuff, it's taking forever on your Monte Carlo. Man, I sanded on this car from Thanksgiving Day to, I don't know, at least half of January. Man, you want to talk about forever doing it. Because if you look, this car, let's see here, I don't know if you can see it, but this car has T-tops. See that? Now you don't. You do. You don't. Man, you want to talk about something? Here you go. Hang on. Let me show you this. T-tops. Man, you want to talk about, see what I used was the original glass. And I put the spot putty stuff that you got, and I put it on here. And it warped that glass really bad, so I had to do it over and over and over, and all this shaving where the nose meets the fenders. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Hopefully I'm not tearing up my car, because I worked so long on it. Bah. Oh well. But yeah, brother, this hood took a long time to do. Even though I think it still looks like crap, I need to put some more body filler on it, sand it, you know. But other than that, you know, I'm pretty pleased with it, you know, considering it's homemade. You know, you never would have thought it would be. But yep, there's my Ford that I'm building for my dad. And my show truck with the chop top. And these guys over here basically were donor trucks, you know, stuff that I've cut off. This sucker right here, you're going to see it in these photos that I send you. This is the one I'm making the garbage truck out of. Man, you want to talk about something that looks really cool. Garbage truck. Okay, brother. Peace out. Tell me what you think.